What's up, creatives, and welcome to this special Mandala show. Today, what are we going to be doing is I'm going to be carving a Mandala style pattern, one that I've quickly just drawn right here. If we can see it, I've just done a quick little drawing of a quick little flower Mandala sort of pattern. We'll be drawing it onto this pumpkin here. I have my pumpkin carving equipment, a little scooper, your saw. I've got a little spatula here just to scoop out some of the insides of the pattern itself, and a little marker here just to make some little dotted holes. And I've also got a spoon, just a normal teaspoon here, just to scoop out any other little bits and to smooth out any bits of the inside that I might want to do. I have already cut the top, out all the insides, so I'm just going to get straight to working on this pattern. I've already started the centerpiece already with a little mark there that I'm going to be doing, and I've also already tried to do a piece already on here, and it's okay, but it's not brilliant. It didn't come out too good, so I'm redoing redoing it. Not this particular one, I'm going to do a different one, but that was my attempt at my first time doing a Mandala pumpkin. It was alright, but it wasn't exactly brilliant. It's not exactly brilliant. So I'm going to be starting it again. So we're going to be starting off a fresh one on this opposite side and see how we get on with that. So I've already started it off like I showed you already in the centerpiece there. I'm going to mark out the circle with the dotting, with the dots, and then we're going to start scooping out and start carving it out. So let's start that process. So we have our edge of our pumpkin. What I've done, I've kept the inside how it is, and just around the edges of the markings I've just dotted it with the other part of the front part of the knobbly plate of your pumpkin thing. Now I'm just going to scoop out, start carving some of that out. I'm going to put that to one side. Start the rest. I will try and show as much of me doing this as possible. I'll do it bit by bit, and I'll show you along the way how I'm creating this. A lot of the video is going to be speeded up as well, because I don't want you getting bored because you're not watching it completely. You're just looking at front on. But I'm going to be showing you bits and pieces as I go through in creating this design. So I'm going to start off with our top part of our flower. This part here. I'm going to draw it out, carve it, and then I'm going to move on to the next one. I'm going to do it bit by bit, because when I did that one, I drew the whole thing together and it just got all messy and it came out absolutely rubbish. So let's start this one now. carving it. Trusty spike, trusty scalpel as well, but I use that too, might make it a little bit easier. Cut the shape out. I was finding it a little bit difficult with that saw thing. I think that's just good for when you just want to sort of go all the way through, but because I don't want to go all the way through, try the scalpel. So what I found is by doing the initial scoring with my scalpel first, and then just taking off that skin part of it first of the pumpkin, just pick away at it. As long as you've done a deep enough score, you should be able to just pick away at the top part of your pumpkin, and then once that's all gone, you can then just scoop the insides and make it that little bit more flush looking around the edges. the finished look of this pumpkin. I'm gonna clean it all up, and then I'm gonna put a candle inside it. But that is looking pretty awesome, that is. Right, let's get this cleaned up now, and we're gonna stick a candle in it and see how it looks. And here we have it, folks. I've had to turn all the lights down for it. I've got a candle in here now, and you can see it in its full glory now. It's looking absolutely brilliant. It's really good compared to the one I done yesterday. Mind you, it doesn't look too bad. But yeah, very happy with the one. This one came out today. Very cool. If you guys do make any pumpkin carvings or anything like that, tag me in your Instagram pictures, Romeo. Tag me in your Instagram pictures at Romeo_sketches. I'd love to see what you guys create as well. Here we go, folks. Your pumpkin mandala on a real pumpkin carving. But whilst I didn't use any of the tools that I actually bought from, I actually got the pumpkin carving kit, didn't use any of those. I just used my scalpel and a spoon. That's all I used to create this. Let's see what you guys can do as well. And that's my mandala done there for you. Thanks a lot again for watching. Subscribe and like, it's much appreciated. And I'll catch you guys next week's show. Peace out.
Bye.